We literally sold the house, I believe, in 6 days. We had multiple offers. So working with Emil was the right choice for us. I actually interviewed agents. I've interviewed 3 other agents. What separated Emil was the marketing plan, the online marketing plan, his social media presence that I think what kind of tipped me a little bit towards Emil. We listed it on the market. We had a stager. We negotiated with a staging company to stage the house. It came out phenomenal. We also negotiated with a company to do the pre-inspection, which thank God it was all wonderful. And that pre-inspection, it was very well spent money, because it helped us at the time when it came to negotiate when the house was in escrow. Well, the house is in escrow and the buyer came in and said, oh, they want these repairs. Emil was able to go back and say, hey, you guys signed off on this, and was able to negotiate that completely out of the deal. So that was very impressive. I like that Emil was there every step of the way. I like the fact that if I asked him a question, he would immediately have the answer, or he would go get the answer. His marketing was outstanding. His ideas were pretty good. The overall experience was pleasant. In my case, it worked out very well. We literally sold the house, I believe, in 6 days. We had multiple offers. So working with Emil was the right choice for us. Having Emil as my realtor simplified things for me. For my time schedule, I didn't have to worry about this and that. It was Emil, and he would take care of it. He would do it. He would investigate it, and he would get me the answers that I was looking for. Overall, it was a pleasant experience, and when the time comes, I would list other properties with him.